First, you start with the kick, then you start with the clap. Next comes the synths. You add and make a simple space with not much and polyphony or something. Add a stereo version of a synth and a mono version of a synth to get some good sound. Add a wavy synth. This one's in the style of Neonlion, or maybe that's what this synth is, or future Riddim, whatever synth it is, wavy. Add a backing synth. It brings some good melodic sound essential to the mix. The intro started with a pluck. It's an intro, yeah. So you make some mastering corrections and some creative effects a little. I used pitch shifting in one little part of it. Add some drip like effect, like chorus, maybe even fire. Add multi-band compression, and some saturation. Maybe it's kind of correcting the equalization and the warmth. Duplicate effects in the mastering in the Wave Lab Elements 11, which I'll show you soon. But add some equalization smoothness. This will happen again in the mastering. This is just the first mastering pass. I just corrected a little with some end limiting, but not too much. Wavelab Elements 11. I use all these effects to correct the audio. That's what mastering is mainly for. And that's what this mastering chain looks like for this song.